why the universe doesn't need a purpose. Everyone asks the same question sooner or later. What is the purpose of the universe? Look up at the night sky. Billions of stars, trillions of planets, galaxies stretching across distances the human mind can barely imagine. And somewhere in all of that vastness, on a small rocky planet orbiting an ordinary star, you're standing there asking why. Why does this exist? What is it all for? What's the point? Here's the answer, and it might not be the one you want to hear. The universe does not have a purpose, not in the way we usually mean that word. And strangely enough, that's not the end of the story. That's where it actually begins. When you ask, what is the purpose of the universe? You are making an assumption, one so deep most people never notice it. You're assuming the universe is the kind of thing that can have a purpose. Think about what purpose really means. The purpose of the hammer is to drive nails. The purpose of the heart is to pump blood. A teacher's purpose is to teach. In every case, there's intention involved. Someone designed the hammer. Evolution shaped the heart through survival. The teacher chose their role. Purpose requires a mind, a goal, an intention. So when you ask about the universe's purpose, you're really asking who intended it, who designed it, what goal was it meant to fulfill? And here's the key point. We have no evidence of any intention behind the universe, no evidence of design, no evidence of a mind that planned it. That matters more than most people realize. For most of human history, purpose felt obvious. The sun rises to give light. Rain falls to grow crops. Animals exist to serve humans. Everything seemed arranged for something. This way of thinking is called teleology, the belief that things exist for an end goal. Aristotle believed nature itself had purposes. A stone falls because it wants to reach its natural place. An acorn grows into an oak because that's what it's meant to become. For centuries, this felt right. After all, we act with purpose. Why wouldn't nature do the same? Then science arrived and quietly removed purpose from nature. Galileo showed that objects don't fall because they want to. They fall because of gravity. Newton showed that planets don't orbit to fulfill a goal. They orbit because mass bends space, and objects follow paths. No intention, no desire, just laws. Darwin did the same thing to biology. Eyes weren't designed to see. Wings weren't designed to fly. They evolved. Random variation filtered by survival over vast time. The result looks purposeful, but there is no purpose behind it. There's a difference between function and intention. Nature produces function without intention. That distinction changes everything. Modern physics goes even deeper. At the most fundamental level, the universe is equations. Fields evolve. Particles interact. Space-time curves. The laws describe what happens, not why it's happening. A ball rolls downhill, not because it wants to reach the bottom, but because that's what happens in a gravitational field. The universe isn't trying to achieve anything. It just follows rules. And remarkably, that's enough to produce everything. But wait, people say, the universe seems perfectly tuned for life. Yes, the constants of physics are precise, but that doesn't imply purpose. We observe this universe because it allows observers. That's not design. That's a selection effect. If conditions were different, no one would be here to ask the question. This doesn't explain why the constants are what they are, but ignorance isn't evidence of purpose. Even if there were a tuner, it wouldn't tell us the purpose. It would only push the question back one level. Here's the real problem. Purpose is not a property like mass or color. Purpose is a relationship between a thing and an intention. So asking for the universe's purpose is like asking for the color of mathematics. It's the wrong kind of question. The universe is not the kind of thing that has purposes. Look at a snowflake. Perfect symmetry, complex structure. Beautiful, no design. Just water molecules following rules. Or a hurricane. Massive organization. Powerful structure, no goal. This is emergence, order arising from simple rules. The universe may be emergence all the way up. Particles, not atoms, not molecules, not the life, brains, not consciousness. And consciousness asks, what is the purpose of all this? The question itself might be an accident of evolution. Here's the crucial distinction. Purpose is about function. Meaning is about value. A sunset has no purpose, but it can be meaningful. Your life doesn't need an assigned purpose to matter. Meaning is something you create, and that's more powerful than having one imposed on you. If the universe had a purpose, you'd be part of someone else's plan. Without one, you're free. Free to choose what matters. Free to decide what's meaningful. Free to care. That freedom is not nihilism. It's responsibility. What science can and can't tell us science can explain how the universe works. It can't tell us why existence at all. And that's okay. Not knowing doesn't make life empty. It makes it honest. Imagine standing by the ocean at night, waves moving, stars above. What is the purpose of the ocean? None. And yet, it's magnificent. The universe is like that. It doesn't need a purpose to be extraordinary, and you don't need one either. You are the universe becoming aware of itself, creating meaning where none was required. That's not a flaw. That's the gift.